There's a place where desert golf rises above the rest, where every tee box feels like a stage, and every fairway stretches into silence. Welcome to Wecopa Golf Club, where pure golf meets untouched Arizona beauty. Set on Fort McDowell Yavapai Nation land, just outside Scottsdale, Wecopa offers something most courses can't. No homes, no roads, no distractions. Just you, your game, and the raw, breathtaking desert. It's golf in its purest form, and that's exactly the point. Wecopa is home to two award-winning layouts, Tola and Saguaro. Tola, designed by Scott Miller, is bold, dramatic, and unforgettable, with sweeping elevation changes and views that seem to stretch forever. Saguaro, crafted by the acclaimed team of Bill Coore and Ben Crenshaw, is a walking-friendly layout praised for its natural flow and strategic brilliance. Ranked among the best public courses in Arizona and the entire country, both courses deliver a world-class experience that stays with you. What sets Wecopa apart isn't just the design, it's the atmosphere. The stillness of the Sonoran Desert, the orange glow on the McDowell Mountains at sunset, the way the light shifts as you move through the round, painting each hole in its own color and character. Here, the landscape doesn't just surround you, it becomes part of your round. Every shot feels elevated, every moment sharper. Play the signature 8th on Tola with a tee shot that drops into a canyon framed by rugged cliffs. Or take on Saguaro's 15th, a drivable par 4 that tempts risk and rewards precision. These are the kinds of holes that live in your memory, long after the scorecard is tucked away. But it's not just about the highlights. It's the rhythm of the course, the silence between swings, the way the desert air makes everything feel more alive. Wecopa invites you to slow down, breathe deeper, and connect, not only with the game, but with the moment. After your round, the experience continues at the award-winning clubhouse. Floor-to-ceiling windows bring the desert views inside. The food is exceptional, refined without being fussy. Enjoy locally inspired dishes and a perfectly chilled drink as you replay the round with friends. The service? Thoughtful, genuine, and quietly first class. And when you stay at the nearby Wecopa Casino Resort, the luxury steps up a notch. Spacious rooms, a full-service spa, resort-style pools, entertainment, and world-class dining, all just minutes from the first tee. Whether you're here for golf, leisure, or both, everything is built around comfort and connection to this extraordinary setting. From sunrise tea times to starlit dinners, Wecopa wraps you in an experience that feels personal, elevated, and grounded in the land itself. No noise, no clutter, just the elements, your game, and an unforgettable stretch of Arizona sky. Wecopa isn't just another destination. It's a sanctuary, a retreat from the noise, a place where golf returns to its roots. Quiet, focused, stunningly beautiful. It's where the desert gives you space to breathe, to think, and to play your best golf.